Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most common questions for SAP beginners. What are the types of modules in SAP? We will look at both functional and technical modules, and I will also explain which one might be able right choice for you. So, let's get started. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is a ERP software, which means Enterprise Resource Planning. In simple words, SAP helps organizations manage everything from sales, finance, and human resources to production and inventory in all in one single system. Now, SAP is mainly divided into two types: functional module and technical modules. Functional modules are all about business processes. They focus on how a company actually runs, like how sales happens, how materials are purchased, how employees are managed, and how finances are tracked. Here are most common functional modules in SAP. SD, Sales and Distribution. This module handles the entire sales process, from receiving orders to delivery and billing. Second one, Materials Management. It manages procurement, purchasing, inventory, and material storage. Third one, HR or SCN. Human Resources, Human Capital Management. It takes care of employee details, payroll, time management, and recruitment. Fourth one, Production Planning. It helps in planning and managing manufacturing, manufacturing processes efficiently. Fifth one, FICO. It stands for Finance and Controlling. This module handles all financial transaction, accounting, and internal cost control. And sixth one, WM. WM stands for Warehouse Management. It focuses on warehouse operations like goods movement, stock tracking, and inventory control. So, these were the main functional modules. They are ideal for people who come from business, management, commerce, or operations background. Now, let's move to the technical modules. Technical modules focus on the technical sides of SAP like system configuration, coding, customization, and integration. If you are from computer science or IT background, you will enjoy working with these modules. Here are key technical modules. First one, ABAP, ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming. This is main programming language of SAP developers used to used to create custom reports, forms and programs inside the SAP system. The next one is BASIS. It stands for Business Application Software Integrated Solution. This is like the system administration part of SAP. It handles installation, upgrades, system performance, and user access. Next module, Business Intelligence. This module focuses on data analysis and reporting, turning raw businesses data into useful insights. Next one, CRM. It stands for Customer Relationship Management. It helps manage customer interactions, sales, and marketing activities. Last one, PI. It stands for Process Integration. This module is used to connect SAPs with other systems, enabling smooth data exchange between applications. So, technical modules are all about how the SAP system works behind the scene. So that's it for today's video on the types of SAP modules, functional and technical. I hope you found this explanation helpful and clear. If if you did, if if you like, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.